In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Reddit. By the end, your Reddit will have a sleek, low light look that's easier on your eyes, especially at night, and can even help conserve battery on certain displays. We'll keep it simple and stick to exactly what you need to do, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by logging into your Reddit account. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your personalized feed. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually your avatar or a small circular image. Click that icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu holds your account and display options. From that drop-down, select Display Mode. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up will appear with three clear choices: Auto, Light, and Dark. Auto follows your device or system setting automatically. Light keeps Reddit in the traditional bright theme, and Dark gives you the darker, high contrast layout we're aiming for. Go ahead and choose Dark. You should see an immediate preview of how the interface will look. Backgrounds will darken and text will pop with better contrast, making long browsing sessions more comfortable. After selecting Dark, click Done to confirm your choice. That's the final click you need. Your setting is saved, and Reddit will now appear in dark mode moving forward. If you ever want to change it back, just return to the same profile icon, open the drop-down, select Display Mode, and pick a different option. The path is identical, so it's easy to switch based on your environment or preference. A quick note on what to expect. The change applies across your Reddit experience when you're logged in, so it should remain consistent the next time you visit. If elements look a bit bright at first, give the page a moment to refresh its styling. Most pages update instantly. Dark mode isn't just about looks. It can reduce glare, help maintain focus, and make text more readable in dim spaces. If you prefer your device to manage appearance automatically throughout the day, remember that the auto option will follow your system's light or dark setting. Though for now, we purposely selected dark so it stays dark regardless of time. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode on Reddit. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience, and feel free to revisit display mode anytime to tailor it to your needs.